How to install JMA 1/2-inch annular connectors. Step 1. Prep. To begin, straighten the cable and using RD Cutter S, apply even pressure while rotating the tool around the cable to cut squarely. If using JMA's waterproof solution, add the WPS boot now. Attach the SP-1/2-LDF4D prep tool to the drill. Actuate the drill to remove the jacket and expose the center conductor. Make sure the final cut is in the valley. Remove the included core bit U from the SP-1/2-LDF4D tool body. You may optionally use the drill or the included T-handle to core the cable. Insert the chamfered center conductor into the center hole of the core bit, taking care not to scratch the center conductor. Actuate the drill, allowing it to plunge and remove the dielectric material. Allow at least one full rotation after the tool has reached the outer conductor and carefully remove the bit. Inspect the center conductor for scratch marks and remove any loose bits of foam that are detached from the cable. Use center conductor cleaner SPCC tool to remove any remaining dielectric material on the center conductor. Step 2. Install. Align the outer conductor edge with the marking line on the cap. Mark the cable jacket in line with the end of the connector. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the inner and outer conductors thoroughly. Push the connector onto the cable until it reaches the alignment mark and the connector spins and 2 clicks are heard or felt. Step 3. Compress. Select the proper insert for the connector. Pull the sliding assembly back using the frameset's side grips. Insert the connector so that the connector and cable lie flat in the frame. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Press the HCG trigger until the tool fully cycles. Do not pull or push on the tool during compression. When fully compressed, the connector will move away from the alignment mark.